What if one of your most profitable customer segments is sitting at a table all by themselves? Stop thinking of dining out as purely a social event. The rise of the solo diner is a trend you can't afford to miss. Here are the numbers that will change how you see your dining room. First, solo diners are already comfortable. A massive 56% of diners feel very comfortable eating alone. Younger diners are the most comfortable, with 64% of guests ages 25 to 34 reporting they're very comfortable dining solo. This isn't a niche, it's the new normal. Second, they're frequent visitors. Over a third, 36%, are dining solo every single week, and 6% are doing it daily. So, who are they and when are they showing up? They're most likely taking a me-time lunch break. 58% of solo trips happen during lunch, with nearly half of all solo diners doing it purely for personal time. A peaceful pause in their busy day. And they're fast, meaning more table turns for you. 65% of them are in and out in just 20 to 40 minutes. Their top preference for comfort? Seating options. 36% of solo diners say a restaurant's seating is what makes them feel most welcome. Interestingly, the majority, 56%, prefer a small individual table, not the bar. So, don't just accommodate these high-value, high-frequency guests. Court them. Here's how. Optimize for a quick, comfortable lunch. Since they're fast, ensure your kitchen and service can handle a quick turn. Create dedicated solo zones. A few well-placed small tables, even 2 tops, away from your large party seating will make a huge difference in their comfort level. Offer a small, thoughtful perk. A simple, warm welcome or a small complimentary item like a mini dessert or a specialty drink sample makes them feel seen and appreciated. It transforms an ordinary meal into a moment of self-care they'll repeat. Solo dining isn't a fad. It's a powerful revenue stream disguised as an empty chair. Check out the link below for the full report.